Hey guys, today we're walking through a 600 kW MTU Detroit diesel. Now this is in what's called a drop over enclosure, and this enclosure allows for about a 1,600 gallon tank. Now that generator is actually much smaller than this enclosure shows. It's a massive enclosure though. So if you see right here, this conduit comes in and that powers just everything this generator needs. And then this conduit comes out from the breaker, and that's what provided power to the loads necessary for this. We're gonna step up on in here. First thing we come to is the Detroit diesel motor to the air filters. This generator was last serviced in May of this year. So this is 16 VF model Detroit diesel. You see how big this enclosure is compared to the actual setup. So it is much larger. So we've got the Woodward governor right here. Then right here is our breaker panel. So on that breaker panel it shows you our 1,000 amp breaker. That's a 240 volt, 480 or 600 volt breaker, 1,000 amp. These are our leads coming in from our generator, and then our neutral leads here. As you walk around, there's a lot of spacing. Those are the pipes, so those come out of the breaker, okay, and they go out to your load wherever your building is. Here is the generator end. Over here is a separate breaker box and a small transformer. And in here's your block heater, your battery charger. There's the actual heater inside this building or inside this enclosure. And then your light, your plugs, and your fuel control. Here's your battery charger. And you head over here, we've got a new control system on this unit. This is a digital genset controller. It's by Basler. That was installed about 1.5 years ago. And so you can see how this enclosure that's on it and the tank that it has is much bigger than what you need for this actual setup. But if you can imagine this generator and the size that actual generator had, it is absolutely massive. So this is our walk around today of our 600 kW MTU Detroit diesel.